In last lecture, we have studied these two formulas and we have solved examples on them. First formula is a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And second formula is a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We have studied these two formulas and solved examples on them. Today we will see the next type of example in which we have used these two formulas in a single example. I have solved question number 2 from practice set 5.3, that is the simplify, and I have taken fourth example from it. There are 4 examples in this question. I have solved fourth example. You have to solve remaining 3 examples referring to this. Now see, the example is 5x minus 7y cube plus 5x plus 7y cube. Now first bracket is a minus b bracket cube, the second bracket is a plus b bracket cube. Value of a is 5x and value of b is 7y. Now we have to solve the example as solved in the question number 1, but here two different brackets we have to expand and then do addition in between them. Now see, first bracket is expanded according to second formula, that is a minus b bracket cube. The expansion will be 5x cube minus 3 into 5x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square minus 7y cube. I have expanded first bracket using this formula. Now take addition sign in between them and now expand second bracket using the first formula. According to it, 5x cube plus 3 into 5x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square plus 7y cube. Now find the values of this cube and square values and then see the example. It will be 125x cube minus 3 into 25x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 49y square minus 343y cube. Now take the plus sign in between them, then take the second bracket. It will be 125x cube plus 3 into 25x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 49y square plus 343y cube. Now we have to remove the brackets and take the example or write the example again. Now we have to do addition in between these terms. So we have to take similar terms near to each other. Similar means they have the same variable and same index number. Here the terms are taken near to each other. It will be 125x cube plus 125x cube should be written here. Then minus 525x square y plus 525x square y plus 735xy square plus 735xy square plus 125x cube xy square is taken here, and then we have to take our next step, that is the 343 y cube plus 343 y cube. Similar terms are taken to each other and we have to add them. Here 125 plus 125 is equal to 250x cube. Here one is minus sign and one is plus sign, therefore plus minus minus according to this rule. This term is cancelled from the step. Now 735xy square plus 735xy square, it will be added and it will be plus 147xy square, and last terms are also cancelled because one is minus sign and one is plus sign. These terms are cancelled to each other. So final answer of this example is 250x cube plus 147xy square. Though it is difficult to see, but it is very easy to solve. When you solve it, you can understand it. So you have to solve the remaining 3 examples and this example also in your notebook and revise it. Now we will see our next point from this chapter. Our next formula is a plus b plus c bracket square. This is the last formula from this chapter. A plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. You have to rewind this formula and solve the examples from practice 5.4. Now I have solved example number 4 here on question number 1. In question number 1 they have also given us 4 example. One example is taken here. Remaining 3 examples you have to solve yourself in your notebook. Now see, from question number 1 expand, we have to solve the fourth example, that is 7m minus 3n minus 4k bracket square. Here we have to find the value of a, b and c. Value of a will be 7m, value of b will be minus 3n. Here plus, in formula there are plus signs, but here it is minus sign. Therefore the value of b will be minus 3n and value of c will be minus 4k. Now expand the bracket according to this formula. A square means 7m square, b square means plus minus 3n bracket square plus minus 4k bracket square. When there are minus signs, you have to take this minus signs in value of the variable also. Plus 2ab, 2 into 7m into minus 3n, plus 2bc means 2 into minus 3n into minus 4k, plus 2ac means 2 into 7m into minus 4k. Now expand these brackets, find the value of square values in this example is equal to 49m square minus 9. Here minus this square will be 9 and n square will be n square, so it will be plus 9n square and minus 4k square means plus 16k square minus 42mn plus 24nk minus 56mk. Here first example is completed. Here it is the from question number 1, practice at 5.4, and in question number 2 it is also a simplified type of example. In this you have given two brackets and addition or subtraction is given in between these two brackets. We have to expand each bracket separately and then do the mathematical operation that is given in between the brackets. Here subtraction is given. So see the example number 2 from practice set 5.4 question number 2. There are three examples are given here. See the example 3k minus 4r minus 2m bracket square. This is the first bracket. Minus 3k plus 4r minus 2m bracket square. This is the second bracket and subtraction is given in between them. Now expand each bracket separately and then do the subtraction. Is equal to 3k square plus minus 4r square plus minus 2m square. The value of a is 3k, value of b is minus 4r and value of c will be minus 2m. They are expanded separately. Plus 2 into 3k into minus 4r plus 2 into minus 4r into minus 2m plus 2 into 3k into minus 2m. Here first expansion of first bracket is completed and here subtraction sign is given in between them. Now expand the second bracket. It will be 3k square plus 4r square plus minus 2m square plus 2 into 3k into 4r plus 2 into 4r into minus 2m plus 2 into 3k into minus 2m. Now find the value of each bracket and write them in separate bracket. Here in between them there is a subtraction sign. So when we remove the bracket, we have to change the signs in the second bracket. Now see the first bracket is taken here by doing the mathematical operations and second bracket is also taken. There is a subtraction sign in between them. While removing the bracket, we have to change the signs inside the bracket in opposite and opposite signs are taken. So it will be 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm minus 12km minus, here up to the first bracket is written, here minus sign in between them is given. Now we have to remove the bracket, so we should change the signs inside the bracket. Minus 9k square, here plus 16 will be minus 16r square is changed and minus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm plus 12km. Now we have to take similar terms near to each other and do the mathematical operations as shown in the example. Similar terms are taken here and after solving the operations, the final answer will be minus 48kr plus 32rm. It can also be written as 32rm minus 48kr. The answer will be same as we have write it anyway. The answer will be the same in manner. Here we have completed the chapter number 5. Up to the 5.4 we have completed the whole chapter. You have to solve the examples in 5.3 question number 2 and 5.4 completely in your notebook and revise it again. Here we will stop today. Thank you.